Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a juice box. Let's start off by drawing a long vertical line like so. Then, draw a short angled line at the top. Mirror this line at the bottom. And close it out with a long vertical line connecting them. From the bottom right corner, draw a longer angled line like so, followed by a similar line at the upper right corner, and one more long vertical line connecting those for the box. For the straw, draw two short vertical lines on top like this, and two wavy lines extending from those that curve slightly to the right for the bendy part, followed by two more parallel lines at an angle for the top of the straw. Then close it out with a small oval at the top end and half an oval at the bottom end. For the top of the juice box, draw an angled line parallel to the front of the juice box like so, and two short lines by the straw to finish off the box shape. To add some more detail, draw a V shape like so on the side of the box, followed by a short vertical line here and an angled line on top for the folds of the box. At the bottom of the juice box, draw some lines parallel to the base. Add some lines going across the side of the box for some words. And then, draw an apple on the front. To learn how to draw an apple, make sure you check out our other video linked in the description below. Lastly, you can write juice on the bottom. And now you've got a juice box.